Hellcat.
Guys, today we're gonna make some new Jello play monster slime. And my mom already took 3 scoops and put it in the bowl. Now all we need is some water.
Yeah. Now let's mix it up.
Let's mix it up.
I will. Make.
Look at how cool this looks.
What did it climb? Yum.
Yeah. Look at this stuff. Looks like oogly.
Monster slime! Damn, monster slime.
Look at that.
Yeah.
After result, it's a solid, but it's actually a liquid too. Look how hard it is. It sticks to the spoon, then it falls like oogly. Hunter, tell them something. Ugh, this is hard. Oh. Look at this.
Let's try.
It is like a monster. Then in the end, you have to wait until the end to see us eat it.
See us eat it? Ew, no. Oh, yeah.
Comment down below what you
think it tastes like and it feels like.
And what the result were.
And if you want to make this, just go buy it at Walmart.
So
make sure to subscribe and leave a like to give us some more likes, because we're about to get to 100 likes, people.
Yeah.